Welcome to Outdoor Ideal. 1. Product name. Juicer machines with 5.8 large feed chute. 5.8-inch larger feed chute. This juicer machine's designed with 5.8-inch feeding chute large enough for whole vegetables and fruits instead of shredding. Combined with the smart safety lock function, the cold press juicer will be stopped once the lid opened, ensuring the safety of your family. Slow juicer cold press. With the 5.5 rpm low-speed squeezing and grinding technology for the fruit juicer machine, it effectively avoids heat generation and oxidation, retain the maximum retention of nutrients and keep the original natural flavors of the fruits. Two. Product name. Canoly C16 cold press juicer, 6 extra wide feed chute, 3-in-1 strainers. Canoly C16 3-in-1 multi-function juicer, features 2 strainers, juice and sorbet, to create fresh fruit/vegetable juice, creamy nut milk, and zero-waste frozen fruit sorbets. One machine for all your family's healthy needs. 6-inch extra wide chute, say goodbye to chopping. The massive 6-inch feed throat accommodates whole fruits, apples, pears, and large celery bunches, saving significant prep time for busy, hands-free mornings. Quiet AC brushless motor. The powerful AC brushless motor operates at a whisper-quiet 3.5 dB, maximizing juice yield from hard ingredients without disturbing your family. Backed by a 15-year motor warranty, please refer to the warranty section for details. Three. Product name. Ninja BN805A Pro Plus Kitchen System, 1400W, 5-in-1, Smoothies. More functionality. The Ninja Professional Plus Kitchen System with Auto IQ features a new modern design and more functionality than Ninja's original kitchen system. Powerful crushing. Ninja Total Crushing blades give you perfectly crushed ice for your smoothies and frozen drinks with 1400 peak watts of professional power. Food processing. The 8-cup precision processor bowl provides precision processing for even chopping and smooth purees. 5 versatile functions. 5 preset Auto IQ programs allow you to create smoothies, frozen drinks, nutrient extractions. Four. Product name. Ninja BN701 Professional Plus Blender, 1400 peak watts. More powerful motor. The Ninja Professional Plus Blender with Auto IQ features a new modern design and a more powerful motor than Ninja's original professional blender. Versus BL610, based on operating wattage. Powerful crushing. Ninja Total Crushing blades give you perfectly crushed ice for your smoothies and frozen drinks with 1400 peak watts of professional power. 3 versatile functions. 3 preset Auto IQ programs allow you to create smoothies, frozen drinks, and ice cream, all at the touch of a button. Auto IQ technology. Take the guesswork out of drink making with intelligent programs that combine unique timed pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns that do the work for you. Five. Product name. Qcen Juicer Machine, 800W Centrifugal Juicer Extractor with wide mouth 3 feed chute for fruit vegetable. Upgraded 800W motor, centrifugal juicer machine with upgraded 800W high-speed motor, more efficient and powerful than cold press juicer maker, last much longer than other competitor. 3 wide mouth will save your time on cut everything into small sticks. Dual speed juicer machine with 2 speed control, 1 low speed for soft fruits and veg, such as watermelon, orange, strawberry etc. 2 high speed for some hard fruits and veg, such as carrot, celery, apple, pear etc. Centrifugal juicer with wide mouth. Centrifugal juicers have a wide mouth to feed your fruits and veggies into, save your time on chopping and cutting the fruits and vegetables before juicing.